fun for the whole family. That's dinner at Kani House Japanese Steakhouse. Owner Kim Witcher and staff invite you and your family to enjoy having your meal prepared right before your very eyes. Hibachi chefs put on a show of fire and food with a clanging of salt and pepper mills. Spatulas and knives make a staccato beat with the sound of sizzling meat in the background.
On special occasions, the staff joins in with singing and the beating of drums. Kani House features a full menu of dinner entrees, including steak, seafood, chicken, and vegetarian specials, all cooked right before your very eyes.
Kani House is easy to find right next door to Mountain Creek Harley-Davidson in the Market Street Shops of Dalton Outlet Mall off Walnut Avenue at I-75. Open 7 days a week, Kani House Japanese Steakhouse and Sushi is open for lunch Sunday through Friday and for dinner 7 days a week.
Not only does Kani House feature authentic Japanese cuisine prepared in a truly entertaining way, Kani House Japanese Steakhouse is proud to be North Georgia's premier sushi bar with both raw and cooked sushi delicacies, featuring over 30 regular, vegetarian, and hand rolls with over 50 items just on the sushi menu.
For a birthday, anniversaries, or any special occasion, including We're Hungry, make dinner special at Kani House. Kani House Japanese Steakhouse and Sushi in the Market Street Shops of Dalton Outlet Mall off Walnut Avenue at I-75. For lunch or dinner, you'll enjoy Kani House.